Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SESN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support that stands out would be what I would consider the ideal level when you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the $1.82 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.82, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom portion of this consolidation range, and that sits at $1.73. So $1.82, $1.73, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet and very basic yet very effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above $1.82, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers were hanging out at and resistance levels, key level seems to be right here around the $1.90 mark. If the bulls can push through there, then after $1.90, next key level is just where the party stopped today, and that was up there at about $1.95. So all in all, though, any way you look at it, nice movement today, great volume. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see, but it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.